Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special, Mitsubishi's latest hybrid innovation, the 2026 Mitsubishi Xforce Hybrid. This is not just another compact SUV, it's a bold statement from Mitsubishi, blending futuristic design, smart hybrid technology, and real-world practicality. Let's dive in. First impressions? This thing looks stunning. The Xforce Hybrid takes Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield front design and elevates it with aggressive LED lighting, a sculpted hood, and a powerful stance. The aerodynamic 18-inch alloy wheels, unique to the hybrid version, not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve efficiency. It's rugged, yet modern, a perfect balance for urban explorers and weekend adventurers alike. Step inside, and you're greeted with a tech-forward, premium cabin. Mitsubishi has stepped up their game with a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a sound system that rivals luxury competitors. The seats are plush, offering excellent support, while the ambient lighting sets the mood for every drive. Plus, there's an array of safety features, including adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera, making driving effortless and secure. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Xforce Hybrid pairs a 1.6-liter MiVec gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 211 horsepower. This setup provides instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive fuel efficiency. The 1.1 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery ensures seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power, making it an ideal companion for both city commutes and highway cruising. So, what do I think? The Mitsubishi Xforce Hybrid 2026 is a game-changer in the compact SUV segment. It's stylish, efficient, and packed with the latest tech, all at a price that makes sense. But now, I want to hear from you. Would you consider the Xforce Hybrid for your next SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.